Did you know America's most prolific serial killer attended church every Sunday and painted his house white picket fence? For 20 years, Gary Ridgway was the perfect neighbor. He mowed his lawn, kissed his wife goodbye each morning, never missed a prayer meeting. He was also murdering women, 49 victims, all while maintaining his facade of Christian devotion. Ridgway would strangle prostitutes, then drive straight to Bible study. He'd dump bodies near the Green River, then go home to help his wife with dinner. His neighbors trusted him. Police interviewed him multiple times and let him go. The mask was perfect. When he was finally caught in 2001, his confession was chilling. "I killed so many women, I have a hard time keeping them straight." He described murder like a hobby, calculated, methodical, almost boring. Ridgway had fooled everyone for decades. His own wife never suspected. He proved that evil doesn't always look like a monster. Sometimes it looks like the man next door.